should, but I don't wanna fall.
Hello everybody, how are you guys doing? I am here to bring you some super speedy clean and tidy up with me motivation today. We are going to clean and tidy up downstairs a little bit, and we are also going to clean some bathrooms. So I hope you are in need of cleaning motivation because I've got you covered today. We're going to try to get as much done as possible. My dad was on his way to come and stay with us for the weekend, so I wanted to get things tidied up because right now it's just not working. So let's get to cleaning. We're starting in the kitchen today. How are you guys doing? I hope that you are having a great day. I hope that you are doing well, and I hope that your week is going well and that you have a great weekend. My kids have recently started school, and we've been struggling a little bit with the drop off with my youngest one. It is her first year really going to school full day. So please excuse the lack of videos going up lately. There's just been a lot going on. So I'm hoping to get back on track, back on routine, and back to my usual schedule. So stick around for the cleaning content. I am going to straighten up the island area first, then move on to straightening up other areas in the kitchen.
You with questions. I know I should, but I don't wanna fall. I know with you I have to learn my lessons. And you go up when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind. When I fall hard, you turn me around. Oh, and you go up when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind. And oh, I hope you always be around. The show is over now. You finally know it's you and you only. So hard trying to show it. Give you my promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers, but now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. Waiting for answers. Now it's up to you. Waiting. You go up when I go down, and you see clear when I go blind. When I fall.
Let's clean up this sink and get these dishes taken care of before we move on to wiping anything else and clearing off more countertops. I'm gonna wash the dishes and get this dishwasher loaded up.
So hard trying to show it. Give you my all. I promise I'll be good. Waiting for answers. And now it's up to you. Now it's up to you. I'm waiting. Now it's up to you. Now it's up to you.
now that the dishes have been taken care of, the sink has been scrubbed, I'm going to throw some bleach in here. We're using some Clorox bleach cleaning spray. We're going to get this all disinfected and taken care of. I have been really diligent about disinfecting the sink throughout the day, or at least once a day, because one, stinky sinks are nasty, and two, just thinking about germs sitting in there is also gross too. So we're gonna let that sit. We're gonna take care of the countertop, and I am just using some Family Guard cleaner. I don't know, I got it at Target. It seems to be doing the job, and it's not heavily scented, which I really like too.
Saw the ending before the movie was done. I got thick skin because I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too.
Okay, we're moving on to our first bathroom of the day. We're gonna start with the toilet because, you know, toilets are nasty. We're gonna clean it up. I'm using Clorox cleaning bleach gel, and I'm gonna scrub this baby. We're gonna get this toilet nice and cleaned. I'm gonna take off the toilet seat and really get in there. I've got 2 little ones, and if you've ever had little ones, you know how the story goes. Sometimes things don't just make it in the toilet like you assume that they would, so toilets need to be scrubbed heavily around here. I'm going to use some disinfectant wipes to wipe everything down and get the piddle off.
Don't cry. Ooh, I saw the red flags before giving you a chance. I said no, I turned you down before we even got to dance. I have demons that I don't really show. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little heartbreak, and heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm hurting. Ooh, but cowgirls don't cry.
Refilling the soap dispenser so I can wash my hands, so everybody can wash their hands and have nice, clean, germ-free, not dirt-streaked fingers around here. So I'm going to refill this. I ran out of the clear soap, so I ended up having to get another soap out from under the sink. So we've got a mixture of soapies going on here to get those hands nice and clean. This cleaning bottle, or this hand soap bottle, I got from Modern Boston Round. Gosh, a couple years ago when I did my upstairs bathroom makeover. It has held up so well. I love her stuff. She is the cutest. I'm pretty sure she is still selling stuff, and she does like custom graphics on cleaning bottles, hand soap bottles, and all that kind of jazz.
Heartbreak fades with time. You probably think I'm broken, I swear that I'm alright. It's just a little.
We are going to clean the kids' bathroom. This is also the bathroom that our guests use when they are staying here, and since my dad's staying with us, I'm gonna clean this baby up. We are gonna get the toilet scrubbed, and we are gonna get the bathtub scrubbed to clean up some of the toys and all of that, get rid of any empty containers that may be in the bathroom, because my daughter has been on this kick where she likes to play with all of the soap when I'm trying to do stuff around the house. So they run out really quickly, but I'm gonna spray the shower, scrub it, and we're gonna get it all cleaned up with some bleach too.
It's good to see you, that's bullshit. You don't like me and we both know that. Can we just pretend we're grown-ups for a minute? You said you're sorry, but talk is cheap. You got away with it too easily. Can we just pretend we're grown-ups for a minute? You've been a mean girl since 95. That's your way of getting by. Well, you should get a taste of your own medicine. And I eat your heart out. Your ex-man is with me now. You've been talking shit behind my back just to feel good about yourself. But he's with me now. We're kissing on your old couch. I know you're trying to feel better, 'cause you're being bitter on your own. Eat your heart out. Heard you moved on, well, sure thing. I bet you're still thinking about him. Alone in your bed, it's getting late. You think, why'd you let him go? You think, why'd you let him? Hannah, eat your heart out. Your ex-man is with me now. You've been talking shit behind my back just to feel good about yourself. But he's with me now. We're kissing on your old couch. I know you're trying to feel better, 'cause you're being bitter on your own. Eat your heart out. Hannah, you had your chance and you blew it. So don't come round here acting stupid. Don't come round here acting foolish. Don't come round here acting all innocent. I know about the games you play. Well, you should get a taste of your own medicine. Hannah, eat your heart out. Your ex-man is with me now. You've been talking shit behind my back just to feel good about yourself. But he's with me now. We're kissing on your old couch. I know you're trying to feel better, 'cause you're being bitter on your own. Eat your heart out. Hannah, eat your heart out. Go on and tell all your friends all about me. Don't give up, nothing sticks to me, baby. Yes, hon, I'm Teflon, I don't give an F, so go ahead and tell them I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man enough, 'cause I speak my mind, yeah, I spit it out. I don't care about if you think that I'm a little bit too much for you. Maybe you're not man.
Now that things have been tidied up, straightened up, and cleaned up, we are ready for my dad to come visit. I hope that this quick clean and tidy with me has given you some cleaning motivation to tackle things around your own home. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for watching this video. It means the world to me to have you here, and I hope you stick around for more cleaning motivation. Thank you again. Have a super great day, and if you're in need of more motivation, check out other videos on my channel too.